Good evening, and I'm Christopher Bannon with the National Weather Service here in Slidell, Louisiana, and this is a real quick forecast outlook for the next 5 to 7 days. Real quick overview, a slow increase to moisture and slightly warmer temperatures are expected on Monday. The main time frame that we're looking for the greatest impacts over the next 5 days will be Tuesday through the first half of Wednesday. We should start to see showers and a few thunderstorms move across the region. Not really anticipating much in the way of severe weather, however a few strong storms are possible, and this could lead to some minor impacts if anyone's looking to travel just before Thanksgiving. On Thanksgiving Day, temperatures look to be near normal and dry for the area, and then as we move into Friday, temperatures will get to above normal and we should remain dry. Next chance for rain after Wednesday looks to be this weekend as another cold front approaches the area. And we are moving to the end of hurricane season, and so far everything looks good. No tropical systems are expected to impact the Gulf over the next 5 days. Real quick 7-day threat outlook. Only two things I'm showing. Main reason is showing the freezing temperatures. We're not expecting any freezing temperatures over the next 7 days. And then the only other impact that we're even looking at is thunderstorms right now. Maybe some isolated thunderstorms again Tuesday into the first half of Wednesday, and then some thunderstorms expected on Saturday as well. Right now, severe weather isn't anticipated, but we can't rule out a few strong thunderstorms. This is a general area forecast for these 4 locations: Baton Rouge, New Orleans, Macomb, and Gulfport. Just kind of get a broad idea of what we're expecting. As you can see, as we start the first half of the week, temperatures will be in the mid to lower 60s for highs on Monday, and then as we move into Tuesday and Wednesday, that's when our greatest impacts will occur. We're looking at showers and a few thunderstorms across the entire area Tuesday and the first half of Wednesday. Highs should be in the mid to lower 70s on Tuesday, and then we'll probably see highs in the mid 70s to even upper 60s on Wednesday. As we move to Thanksgiving Day, Turkey Day looks pretty good. High temperatures will be in the upper 60s to lower 70s, with lows in the upper 40s across a few areas to mid 50s. And then moving past Thursday, we look to see temperatures rebound back into the mid 70s across most of the area. And then with our next chance of rain next weekend, as that next week cold front tries to push into the region. Real quick outlook for the Tuesday through Wednesday time frame, kind of a general idea of how we think rain's going to progress across the area. As we get to the next little image right here coming up now, you'll see we're expecting showers to move out of the southwest, and then as we move into Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, showers and a few thunderstorms should start to push from the northwest to the southeast, with a drying of the area beginning from northwest to southeast during the day Wednesday. Overall, we're not expecting much in the way of real significant impacts because we're not expecting severe weather. However, there will be a few thunderstorms possible. So if you're looking to travel, Tuesday and especially Wednesday, plan ahead and do check road conditions before you travel. Real quick look at the storm total rainfall forecast. Most of the areas should remain dry with all the rain expected to occur Tuesday through Wednesday. Amounts should be below an inch for most of the area. Real quick hazard outlook across the United States. Overall, not expecting much in the way of impacts across the area. The Pacific Northwest could see some temperatures that are well below normal. However, if you are going to the Great Lakes region, especially if you're flying into Chicago area, the system that's going to bring us some showers and a few thunderstorms on Tuesday and Wednesday could impact that region as well, as they're expecting some heavy rain across the Great Lakes, portions of the Great Lakes, Wednesday. So you may be impacted by some thunderstorms on that day. Real quick 6 to 10 day temperature outlook. As we move in towards December, we still look to remain above normal across the region. From a rainfall standpoint, rainfall looks like a better chance of seeing wet conditions continue as we get to the first week or two of December. Tropical weather outlook again, as mentioned earlier, everything looks quiet for our area. Tropical storm Sebastian will continue to push off to the east-northeast and should be out of the Atlantic Basin over the next couple days. And a real quick summary of impacts. Again, looking for a slow increase in moisture with slightly warmer temperatures tomorrow. Tuesday, Wednesday look to be the time frame with our greatest impacts across the area. Not expecting, again, severe weather. However, a few storms are possible, and if you are looking to travel just before Thanksgiving, just kind of plan ahead and keep an eye on the radar to make sure that you're not driving through thunderstorms. Looks like Thanksgiving Day should be pretty nice for across the area. Temperatures will be near normal, and we should remain dry. And then look for above normal temperatures on Friday. The next chance of rain looks to be next weekend as the cold front pushes into the region. And then, again, approaching the end of hurricane season, and everything looks pretty good across the Gulf. Thank you very much for joining us, and have a happy Thanksgiving.